In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query the Shopify API in 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to Shopify's website. As straightforward as it may seem, this step is your gateway into the world of Shopify's extensive functionalities, and more specifically, its API. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll notice a login button. This isn't just a regular login procedure, it's your first step toward accessing the vast amount of data Shopify holds. Click on that login button and prepare to enter your credentials. The process continues as you enter your email address. This isn't just any email, it's your unique identifier within the Shopify ecosystem. It connects you to your store, your products, and your customers. Type it carefully, making sure every character is correct. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This action secures your access, ensuring that only you have the power to make changes or retrieve data within your Shopify account. After you've entered your password, proceed by clicking the login button. The anticipation builds as you are about to enter the heart of your online store. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself at the My Store homepage. This is where your journey truly begins. Your Shopify dashboard is the command center for your business, providing access to everything from sales data to customer interactions. From here, the trail leads us to the Settings menu. This path might seem incidental, but it's here that Shopify grants you the permissions to access its deeper functionalities. Navigate through the menus until you find yourself clicking on Settings. Once in the Settings menu, you're looking for Apps and Sales Channels. Think of this as opening a door to a room filled with tools and helpers ready to boost your store's capabilities. And we are here for one tool in particular, the ability to develop apps. Click on Develop Apps. It might seem a bit daunting, envisioning yourself developing apps, but fear not, this is merely the avenue through which we access Shopify's API. At this stage, Shopify will ask you to enable custom app development. It's a safety measure, ensuring that you're aware of the permissions and access you're enabling. With a click on Allow Custom App Development, you're acknowledging that you understand the powers you're wielding. Once allowed, you're beckoned closer to the core of our goal, querying the Shopify API. As you click on Create an App, the excitement is palpable. You're about to create a bridge between your ideas and Shopify's vast capabilities. It's in this moment that your creativity meets Shopify's robust platform. You're then prompted to add details about your app. This isn't just filling out a form, it's the process of defining the scope and functionality of your app. Choose a name that resonates with its functionality and provides a clear description, painting a vivid picture of your app's purpose. Once you've meticulously filled in the details, the moment of truth arrives with the Create App button. This click is more than a mere command. It symbolizes the birth of your app, the fruition of your ideas mingling with Shopify's potential. And just like that, you've laid the foundation for querying the Shopify API. But our journey doesn't end here. What we've walked through today is just the beginning. You're now standing at the threshold, ready to explore the complexities and capabilities of the Shopify API. Armed with your new app, you can begin to dive deeper, writing queries that fetch data, push updates, and so much more. Remember, entering the world of APIs, especially one as powerful as Shopify's, is like learning a new language. It takes practice, patience, and a keen sense of curiosity. Today you've taken the first step, and with that, you've learned how to initiate your journey into querying the Shopify API. Each step from logging in to creating your app has been a building block towards unlocking the vast potential at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Whether you're looking to enhance your store, streamline operations, or unlock new insights, you're now on the path to making it happen with Shopify's API. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep creating.